Hello guys. Hello guys, good evening and welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? Hope you guys are doing great. Hope you all are popping. Yes, so guys, it's Vlogmas Day 17. Oh yes, we are doing this as in God. It's not easy. It has not been easy, but I thank God that I'm able to do this vlogmas. And I'm also thanking Jessica Oba, because that girl, that lady you are seeing like that, Jessica Oba, dear, thank you so much. As in, thank you so. I don't know how to thank you, but let me just thank you. Thank you so much, Jessica Oba. Thank you so much. Thank you. I really appreciate. I'm grateful for all you have been doing for me, for all the help. Thank you so much, Jessica Oba. So guys, how are you all doing? I'm sure you guys have already seen the title and you guys know what is about to happen right now. So guys, I want to show you guys the basic things you need for your videos, as in, if you're a beginner, as in the basic things you need as a beginner for your vlogging. Yes, not also for sit down videos, the necessary things you need. You don't need to go and kill yourself because you want to start your YouTube channel. You don't need to go and kill yourself. Don't go and bother yourself. I want to show you guys the basic thing, the necessary things you need for your vlogging. Okay guys, the number one is your lightning. Yeah, lightning is very important. When I say very important, lighting is very important. So guys, you must not have a ring light. Yes, I said you must not have a ring light. You can either use your, excuse me, sorry about that guys. So guys, the first thing you need is ring light, as in lightning, not ring light but lightning. Yes, lightning. I'm sure in your room or wherever you want to film your video, you must have a window. So guys, you can either sit in front of your window. Not you don't face your window, you sit but in front of your window. Then you place your phone or your camera and you vlog. That's the first thing. Or you can either use your torchlight. This is my torchlight. You can put it on this torchlight. You can put it on. Then you place it in front of you and do your video. You don't have to go and kill yourself because you want to start YouTube. You don't have to go and see because you want to start YouTube. Start with the little you have. It has bought his or her own ring light. You go and be disturbing yourself. No. Don't disturb your head. As in, start with what you have. When I say start with what you have. If I start up to edit my videos, when you are editing your videos, you put your effects there, it will lighten up. So guys, don't get. Secondly is you need where to place your phone. Right now I'm placing my phone on my tripod. Yes, and I also have a ring light that I'm using right now. My phone is on my tripod and my ring light is on. So guys, if you don't have a tripod, or you can either make use of this selfie stick, but mine has broken, as in, you see. So you can either make use of your selfie stick, or you can either look for books, stack up books, then you place this you can bring your books and stack it up, then bring this your selfie stick, put it inside, put it in the middle of those books you have stacked up, then hold it so that you'll be able to stand very well. Then you put your phone, this one, my own, it has broken, so you know what I'm talking about guys. So you don't need to go and kill yourself because you want to start. Use what you have. You can either look for wait, excuse me guys, let me bring what I have again. Okay guys, welcome back. Guys, as I was saying, you make use of this. You can make use of this. You can use your phone, place it on your phone like this. You see? You can place your phone on it like this. Then you vlog. You do whatever you want to do. Then when you are done placing it on your phone, you can then you place it on maybe either your table, or anywhere else. You just place it on it. Then you vlog. You see? The phone will never fall off, as in it will not fall. This thing, I got this for 1,000 naira. here in Nnewi, Anambra State. I got this for 1,000 naira. So guys, see, you see, at times I make use of this, but I don't have a table in my room, so I don't always use it, but I make use of this at times. So guys, you see, you use this, you see. So guys, the number 3, yes, it's number 3, right? Okay, the second one is microphone, but like I said before, don't go and kill yourself because you want to get all those things. You can either be audible, yes, be audible enough. Be what do I mean by be very audible? As in, be very, very audible. I did not say you should shout. Like right now, I am making this video in my room. So what I did is that I locked my windows, my doors are locked, so that even if I'm talking, it will not be spreading out. So guys, be audible enough. And as you can see, the mic I'm using okay guys, I'm using Bed Boya mic, as you all have seen before. I'm using Betty Boya mic. Yes, I'm using Boya mic. You don't have to go and kill yourself. Be audible enough if you don't have mic. If you don't have lighting in, sit in front of your window. Sit where there's lighting in. Then vlog. Another one is number 4 is your background. Yes guys, your background matters a lot. You need lightning, you need a tripod, you need a mic, you need a background. And guys, you don't need to go and kill yourself for all these things. You can make use of this. You can make use of this. See, it's flexible. You can make use of this. I have this, I sell this, it's 1,000 naira. I sell it for 1,000 naira. You can either make use of your torchlight. If you have a torchlight, you can make use of it. But if you don't have a torchlight, you can sit in front of your window and do whatever you want to do. What I'm using to vlog is I'm using my phone to make this video. Yes guys, I don't have a camera, and right now I'm not even thinking of, I don't even have the money to get a camera safe. So less of, I'm not even buying now. I don't even have the money to get a camera. All I want now is another phone, a new phone that has good quality camera, so that I'll be using it, because camera is very expensive now. So I don't have the money right now, but by God's grace, I know one day I'll be able to purchase my own camera. So guys, I'm using my phone. I'm using Techno Povo something. I don't even know self, but I'm using Techno. So guys, there's nothing much to say, there's nothing again to say. I've said all the basic things you need. Please guys, don't go about killing yourself because you want to get all these things. Okay guys, thank you also so much for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give this, guys, if you're hearing any noise or any sound, please ignore. I'm pleading. Okay guys, thank you also so much for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, like, comment and share. Guys, please share my videos. I am begging. Okay guys, thank you so much. Share my videos. I love you also so much, as in God. In fact, very soon I'm heading to 100 subscribers, so I am heading to 100 subscribers. I am so grateful to God, as in I'm so grateful.